Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to discuss about another very important topic for CSS, that is CSS color naming. In CSS, we have some predefined color name that we can utilize in order to give color to fonts, background and border. So in this session, we will discuss how we can apply those color to fonts, border and background. But before we start the session, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first, because they all are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be much more easier for you to understand the ongoing topic, because for time being, we are just focusing mainly on how we can utilize the predefined color name of CSS. Okay. So if we talk about the code, here you can see the code is very simple and straightforward. We have just noted down few title here. You can see the title is here, few comments are here, and there is one heading which is showing CSS Cascading Style Sheets by Sharmit. Now you can simply save this and refresh the browser. So once you refresh the browser, you can see this heading is also coming here, CSS Cascading Style Sheets by Sharmit. Perfect. Now what we will do after this? After this, we are going to create another example. Means here I'll just put one more heading, not example, heading. So I'll put here heading, and in heading we will put the topic name, the current topic name which we are going to discuss today, which is a color names in CSS. Okay. So for that, what I can do now, I'll just simply put the text name here. Like we have added the H2, which is for this heading 2, and in this heading 2 we will just put the topic name, which is CSS color names. So let me put it here, CSS color names. Okay. After that, I will do one thing, like I'll put all those color name in H3. So H3. So first name is tomato. Okay. So tomato is a predefined color name. Then we will add the next one, which is orange. Okay. After orange, we will add here H3 Dodger blue. Okay. Then next one would be medium sea green. Okay. And after that, we will have a gray color. So here I'll put H3 gray. Okay. After this, we will add another, which is slate blue. So currently I'm just noting down all those names of colors that we are going to use. Slate blue. After slate blue, we will put the next one, which is violet. So here I'll write violet. Okay. Then we will put the next one, which is light gray. So I can put here light gray. Perfect. So now you can save it and refresh it. So right now you can see these are some predefined color name, but we have not applied any color yet. Okay. So what we will do now, I'll apply the same color to the same text, so that it would be easier for you to understand like how the color is assigned. So in case of tomato, I'll apply the color. So here I'll simply write here style. I'm using inline CSS here, and here we will write color. In color we will put tomato. Okay. Now you can save it and refresh it. So after I refresh, you can see it is showing the font color as tomato color. Okay. CSS color names for font. So this should be the heading. Okay, fine. Similarly, we will apply the next color, which is orange. So here I'll write style color orange. Okay. Likewise, we will apply the next color, which is style. Here we will apply Dodger blue. Dodger. Not like this. We should firstly put color and then we will apply Dodger blue. Perfect. After that we will apply medium sea green here. So style medium. Firstly we should put color medium sea green. Okay, likewise we have gray, so for that I'll use here style. In style we will put color and gray. Then we have slate blue color, so here we will write style color slate blue. Okay, then we will apply the next one, which is style color, and here we will use violet color. And then for the last one we will apply style color, and color would be light gray. Perfect. Now you can save it and refresh the browser. So once you refresh the browser, you can see all font has been assigned with some color, and these color name are already there. So you can see this is tomato color, this is orange color, dodger blue, medium sea green, gray, slate blue, violet and light gray. Similarly, suppose if someone asks you to apply these color not on font but on background, so how we will do this? So for that, what I can do now, I can simply copy this so that it will not take much time, and here I'll just edit the things. So CSS color names for, and here I will put background. Okay, and instead of color, here we will apply it for, let me rewrite it for background color. Perfect. Now you can save it and refresh it. So you can see the tomato color is coming as a background color. So we can simply copy it from here to here, or I think this one is also fine. So just copy this part, not here, from here to here. Just copy it. Now replace color with this background color, so that background color is applied on all text. Perfect. Now you can save it and refresh it. So once we refresh it, you can see now all CSS predefined color name has been applied to the background. Okay, perfect. Now similarly what we will do, we will copy this part again, and this time we are going to apply it for the border. So here I'll write CSS color names for border. Here what we will do, we will simply remove this part, border, and that's it. You can save it and refresh it. So after a refresh, you will see that something is wrong here. Okay, for border we have to put like this, border 5px solid tomato. Now you can see border is coming. Okay, similarly we will copy it from here to here and replace it with this part. Okay, so just replace it here. Likewise we will apply here as well. Now here. So these are the all way through which we can apply the predefined color names, which is tomato, orange, dodger blue. So as per your requirement, you can simply select the color, and it is not always fixed that you have to use the same color. I'm just telling you how we can use the predefined color, but in case if you want to choose any other color, that is also fine. Okay, so now you can see all border color has been introduced here. Okay, so in this session what we mainly discuss, what is predefined color. So predefined color, we already know, like there are some predefined color that we can apply to either font, background or the border. So we have applied that. So now you can practice this thing. You can try to write some articles, maybe the paragraphs, and on those paragraphs you can apply these kind of colors. Okay, so yeah, I think now we're good with this, and if you face any issues or challenges during the practice, then you can reach out to me through the comment section, and if there is any queries, I can try to help you out in that scenario. Okay, and by that time you can do the practice, and in the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Texture Myth.